This segment brought to you by Bravo Company USA. Hey, Larry Vickers here, Vickers Tactical Channel, and today I got a pretty cool SIG handgun for you, the Swiss Army M75, also known in the commercial side of the house as the P220. This gun was adopted in 1975 by the Swiss Army to replace their P210s. They kept a lot of the same controls in terms of the heel magazine release and the lanyard loop on the bottom, but what it does have that the P210 didn't have is a double action, single action trigger mechanism. Has a decocker on the left side, slide stop, and takedown lever, which now is world famous for the SIG handguns, in particular the P226. And essentially a 226 is nothing more than this handgun with a Browning high-powered double-stack magazine added to it. All right, this magazine is copied from the P38, 8-round single-stack magazine, super reliable, 9mm parabellum like the P210 before it. Now, interestingly enough, this is an M75. It has the Swiss cross on top, and the A serial number denotes it as a former Swiss Army pistol. And with the P marking, that tells you it was sold to a private individual in Switzerland and has now been imported in the United States. In the US, the M75, fairly rare handgun. Not a moon rock, but not very common either. And when you find them on Gunbroker, they generally go for some pretty good money. Excellent made handguns, very accurate, very reliable, good trigger pulls, single action triggers, excellent, double action triggers, nice and smooth. I got some friends in Switzerland, like my good buddy Alan, who hopefully is watching this, that can shoot lights out with these things. We got some live fire coming your way, Swiss Army M75, courtesy of MagTech and the LAV. Stay tuned.